Welcome back to Old Studio Car, where we bring you timeless classics and legendary machines that shaped automotive history. Today, we dive into one of the most iconic American cars ever built, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. This car isn't just a vehicle, it is a symbol of the golden era of motoring, representing style, luxury, and power in a way that still turns heads nearly 7 decades later. In this video, we will look at the exterior details, the performance, the driving feel, the fuel economy, and an updated idea of today's market price for this legend. The 1957 Bel Air carries a design that most enthusiasts consider the pinnacle of 1950s automotive styling. The first thing that stands out is the bold front grille with the wide chrome finish, giving the car an unmistakable face. The updated exterior restorations done on most Bel Airs today enhance the original charm with refreshed chrome bumpers, cleaner body lines, and restored paint that brings back the factory colors as well as modern custom shades. The trademark, gold anodized, Chevrolet emblem on the grille and the Bel Air script on the rear fins remain the highlight of the car's identity. Those famous tail fins rise confidently from the rear, making it instantly recognizable from a distance. Collectors today often restore these cars with upgraded LED lighting, stronger chrome plating, and high-quality paint that gives the Bel Air a new-age shine without losing its classic style. The two-tone body design still captures attention, and the stainless steel trim around the windows and doors adds to the car's premium 1950s personality. Even though the car is more than 60 years old, a well-restored Bel Air looks fresh, elegant, and incredibly stylish on modern streets. Under the hood, the 1957 Bel Air originally offered several engine options, but the most famous choice was the 283 cubic inch V8. This was the engine that brought the Bel Air into the performance spotlight with Chevrolet's famous tagline, "The Hot One." With the optional fuel injection system, the engine produced impressive power for its time, making it one of the earliest examples of American performance engineering. Many restored Bel Airs today also come with upgraded mechanical components like improved carburetors, electronic ignition, and better cooling systems, allowing the car to run smoother and more reliably than before. On the road, the Bel Air delivers a relaxed yet confident driving feel. It is not built for sharp, modern handling, but it offers a smooth and comfortable ride with a long wheelbase and soft suspension. The iconic V8 sound adds an emotional connection to the driving experience. In terms of performance, the maximum speed of the original Bel Air was around 160 km per hour, depending on the engine configuration. For a car of the 1950s, this was impressive and placed it among the faster American cars of its era. Fuel average for the 1957 Bel Air varies depending on the condition of the engine and the type of upgrades installed. The original fuel consumption was around 7 to 9 km per liter, but many restored models fall slightly below that due to larger carburetors or modern performance parts. Although the fuel economy isn't the highlight of this vehicle, most owners prioritize the style and heritage over efficiency. When it comes to pricing, the Bel Air remains one of the most sought-after classic cars in the world. The price depends heavily on condition, originality, and restoration quality. A well-maintained, drivable Bel Air can start around $30,000, while fully restored, show-quality models often range between $60,000 and $120,000. Rare trims and fuel-injected versions can go even higher, making the Bel Air a valuable collectible for serious enthusiasts. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air continues to be a symbol of American automotive excellence, representing beauty, power, and timeless design. It remains a dream car for collectors worldwide, and its legacy grows stronger every year. Thanks for watching Old Studio Car, and stay tuned for more classic car reviews.